think they have fixed timings. They don't have liberty of flexible timings, right? That I came to know from many parents. Right? तो उन्हीं की वजह से हमें कुछ सेंटर्स में लेट इवनिंग भी खोलने पड़ते थे सेंटर्स, because they were not getting like flexibility from their offices कि they can go early. They can't, right? तो एक तो ये मुझे प्रॉब्लम सुनने में आता था. Second problem is like they need leaves, and after maternity leave they are in a challenging position to get leaves whenever they need, so they don't want to take leave. Sometimes I really have to educate parents कि we cannot have or keep sick child. Understand?
Yeah.
Right? Because right now you are saying me because this is your child. Suppose when I'm allowing you, I will allow everybody.
Yeah.
Right? And now imagine the situation, if I'm allowing this, every day I have a sick child in my class. And then would you love it? Because at this age, children's immunity level is also not so strong. So that's the challenge of parents. They say that, Mamita, we don't have leaves. And then like after many conversation, they got that and they created structure. They invited their mother-in-law, their parents or their sisters. But that was the challenge of working mothers, Rituparna.
Right. And what are the some of, because Footprints is like organization, a company, right? It's a registered company, right?
Yeah.
Right. So and you employ women staff. So it's very important to understand that what are some of the best practices that you employ while dealing with, you have all kinds of staff from all kinds of, cross section of society, economic status wise. What are some of the best practices you have, seen at Footprints, at your organization, and that you would want other companies who hire women also to follow?
Rituparna, I don't know, like it's a best practice or what, that you will decide. Okay, I'll share the practices with you. One is that we are flexible, right? If any person comes to us with any problem, so we are open to listen that. Right? We are not very robotic there. No, you have to come at that time only. We create the plan so that she can take care of her things, right, with job. Because our priority is to have our people with us. Right? We don't want to lose our people. We always create structures, and though we have mainly we have teachers and didis, right? So we create with parents also. And after learning, like after I think 2 or 3 years, we also learned that not communicating to parents doesn't work. Right? Initially, we were planning, okay, we'll plan something and take care of children. But we were not communicating to parents directly. But after that, we started that. We communicate to parents, right? And we ask their support also in some cases if we want. And I must appreciate our parents that they're always ready. Okay, ma'am, we can do that. So that strength I got from my parents, and that encourages me and my franchisees to be in communication with them and take care of people like priorities, because everybody is working for their family, right? Nobody is working for companies or the other people, right? That the practice we have. Second is in preschool industry, like we are giving them maternity leaves, right? We are offering them offer letter, appointment letter, right? Their job is really, so we are transparent in that manner, Rituparna, right? And we are transferring their salaries into their accounts, right? For didis and all. So we have, so in that way, like I think that's the contribution, because earlier in the initial stage, I came to know didis spend all the money, whatever they are getting. And then we encourage them to open their accounts, right? And we are transferring their salaries to their accounts. So one thing I can see is happening for good is they are spending money on their children's education, right? Now they are also inclined towards education of their children. Right? Some of didis have, like some of didis children, right, have done the engineering also. And I'm so happy to see that, Rituparna. That gives me a sense of satisfaction. and I'm so happy when they like brought sweet for me कि मैं मेरे बेटे ने engineering complete कर लिया है.
That's lovely.
So that's the great, I think, thing, you know, when we encourage them to open the account.
I just
And
had one question. Are their children also like welcome to, like, can they send their children to Footprints?
yes,
And is that like at a discounted rate?
yes,
Okay.
all staff members have discounts.
Okay. So, what, like, so Footprints, I know what, you know, like how much you charge and all, because, you know, I've obviously it's like changed over the years. But do you have any program for working mothers who are not from, like, say, economically strong,
Yeah.
like economically strong background?
Uh-huh. Just say more on it. I did not get it.
So I'm saying that Footprints may, like, the rates you charge at Footprints. So do you have like a special program for mothers, working mothers who don't, like, you know, who are not from economically, say, who don't earn as much?
Yeah. So
From
we have discount for like single mother, right?
Oh,
Right.
how nice!
We
How-
give discount. We
Right.
give the discount. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And just single mother, or you're open to single parent, like of any gender?
Single parent.
Right, right. So, do you have like a inclusion policy? Like, do you have, say, a clear cut, say, diversity and inclusion policy of, say, queer parents? You know, parents from the LGBTQ community. Do you have any policies like where you say that's open door for all?
Yeah, it's an open door for all, Rituparna, right? But at the same time, we really see that how can we, so whenever parents come to us, we are always like welcome to have those parents, and we have given liberty to our franchises also, so to encourage this, right? So that everybody, right, so we can contribute to everybody's life, right? That's our main motto. So we have given like our franchises also have we can say that right, so they can give discounts to people, right, if they think that okay, that person really needs a discount and really committed to have education for his or her child. So we are open for that, and we have many cases like where we have done that, and parents really appreciate that, and they really share the development of the child, and they really share what difference it has made in their life. So yeah, that's there.
That's very nice. Is there any, like, are there any challenges that you face, like, apart from coronavirus related?
Yes, for a lot many challenges, and I believe that life is full of challenges only. So one challenge is that to really educate parents, right, how to be with 1 year, 2 year, 3 years old child, right? And I don't blame them also, because it's not their fault, you know, it's a demand on them. Because when children are going to formal school, right, they come to us and they share, ma'am, they want that कि बच्चे को इतना लिखना आना चाहिए, बच्चे को ये आना चाहिए, बच्चे को वो आना चाहिए, and they are in fear, they are in insecurity, right, कि बच्चे को कहाँ एडमिशन मिलेगा फिर कल. So that is challenge for me to educate them, right? If you give them time, if you allow them, right, to participate, and we share the activities also, how can we encourage children? Because it's not कि मैं बच्चे के हाथ में पेन पकड़ाऊंगी, पेंसिल पकड़ाऊंगी, वो लिखना शुरू कर देगा. आप हाथ पकड़ के लिखवा दोगे, but you cannot develop the trust of the interest of child while doing that, right? And that is more important. बच्चे को 2 साल में लिखना आता है कि 3 साल में, वो एक बात है, लेकिन बच्चे को आपने जबरदस्ती 2.5 साल में लिखना सिखा दिया और उसका कितना इंटरेस्ट डेवलप हुआ, that matters a lot. That's my challenge, right? Second is the challenge with the staff, didis and teachers, and most of them, it's my observation, nothing like personal to anybody or not the universal truth, that they don't have much say in their life, in their job.
Okay, what do you mean?
आज हस्बैंड ने बोला तो जॉब छोड़ दिया,
राइट.
आज घर में कुछ कंसर्न हो गया तो जॉब छोड़ दिया. दीदीज का है लाई घर में, लाइक उनके घर में अगर मैं ऐसे आपको बोलूं कि they are dealing with lot many things, right? uh, including financials. हस्बैंड
So
ने
do
कभी
you
ड्रिंक
do you
किया,
also
कभी है ना मार दिया, कुछ कर दिया, जॉब पे नहीं आने दिया, तो वो जॉब पर नहीं आई दीदी। तो वो बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस हैं वहां पे दीदीज को लेके, उनको एजुकेट करना, उनको समझाना। और सेम फॉर टीचर्स की जॉब छोड़ दिया, जॉब के लिए कंसिस्टेंसी। अब इसको हम दोनों बात होती है ऋतुपर्णा, इस जॉब में इतनी सैलरी भी नहीं है, राइट? वो तो ना एक विशियस सर्कल है ये।
yeah.
तो वहां मुझे लगता है हमें सोचना होगा कि टीचर्स की सैलरीज, प्री स्कूल टीचर्स की सैलरीज हम कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं।
That's a
बिकॉज
very good point. That's a very good point.
फीस
And
भी,
not just teachers, like teachers, of course, and also support staff.
या या
So
सो
I
दैट्स
think, but you are a corporate organization. What's stopping you? Because footprints के जो parents देते हैं अपने बच्चे को, like enroll करते हैं, they are generally from like a economically more or less well-to-do sections, right? What's stopping you from, maybe subsidizing DDs or paying DDs more? Is there?
yeah, if I talk about that, we are paying whatever normal is there, we are paying 500 extra to them, but that's also minimum, Rituparna, I'm saying.
Right.
राइट, दैट्स ऑल्सो मिनिमम, है ना? और आपको तो ना किसी भी चीज के लिए 4 पिलर्स होते हैं, राइट? आप पेरेंट्स से कितना चार्ज कर सकते हो, आपका खर्चा कितना है, आप स्टाफ को कितना देते हो, राइट ना? आपका वेंडर्स, इन सब का एक्सपेंसेस है, राइट? उसके बाद आपका अपना खर्चा है। तो वो 4-5 चीजों में डिवाइड होती हैं पूरी चीजें, राइट? दो फ्रॉम डे वन, है ना, all of us are very passionate to really contribute this like class of the society, you know, didis or like teachers who are really coming from a very low income group. So इसीलिए हम उसमें आज तक भी उनका सस्टेनेंस अमाउंट टेक केयर किए हुए हैं। Like in lockdown period, now in corporate, most of the people are not taking their salaries.
Right.
Because we are taking care of their sustenance. We know that they don't have any other source of income to take care of their food part and all. And that's my concern now, that how long will it continue? I also don't know. But there is always an like the light of ray, right? Which always encourages you to go ahead.
Hopefully these things will, start to get normal. I don't know when, but hopefully that's soon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for just quickly, if you could tell me like 3 things you want offices to change so that you can address very, working mothers can benefit from it. Like one more daycare.
Yeah. One is Rituparna, flexibility of time.
Okay.
I really want that offices to consider, right? Especially for new mothers, young mothers, right? They do and not take care of that. How can we take care of that? I don't know. Like, it's not that it's easy for them, because if it's easy, then they could have done it. But yes, if that could happen, that's really good. And second thing is the flexibility of leaves, right? No, we can create structure, right? Before lockdown, I was also not in the favor of work from home, Rituparna. Because at the time, the structure was totally different. People were not scheduled to work from home, right? Sometimes they said they will work, but due to XYZ reason, they did not perform. So there was no like workability most of the time from work from home. But now I can see that we can demand work, right? And not focusing on being present in the office or not. We just really can create structures where our employees are also happily like working, for the company, and creating satisfaction for themselves also. Because I believe in one thing: if I'm happy, then I can contribute happiness to others. If I'm not happy, I can't do that.
That's true. Thank you so much. This was wonderful chatting with you. I'll stay in touch with you because